Ever find yourself drowning in a sea of data, wishing there was a smarter way to tackle those spreadsheet tasks? Introducing GPT for Sheets, your free ticket to a world of efficient spreadsheet wizardry. So, how do you get started? Click on the extension, head over to Add-ons, select GPT for Sheets, install it, and click to enable the function. Are you tired of sifting through reviews? With the GPT tag function, you can instantly differentiate between positive and negative feedback, saving you time and headaches. Language barriers be gone. Need to translate data? Just enter the GPT translate function, select the cell, and watch your data transform into any language you desire. And for those moments when you need to fine-tune your data, the GPT edit function is here to save the day. No more manual corrections. Let the tool do the heavy lifting for you. Last but not least, creating tables has never been easier. Enter the GPT table function, provide the details, like a list of fruits and their nutrition data, and voila! A perfectly formatted table appears like magic. If you enjoyed the video, share, and subscribe for more awesome videos.